They're red too. We have somebody who's sitting here in the little chair, and then the kids pull up the bean bags and everything, and so they're red too here. So we're gonna go upstairs, and this is where the tutoring rooms are upstairs. So they're in this room here, and then the other two rooms that are back here.
They also connect with their tutors so much, and sometimes it's the only kind of one-on-one educational experience that they have, and it builds their confidence. Someone believes in them, and so having somebody that just is really encouraging, it just changes your perspective on yourself. And so it's when you walk in here and they're here, it's such a warm environment that Teresa and Sister Barbara have created, and the kids and families love coming. So thank you all so much.
Sometimes I think we forget, as we've raised our families and, what they have, and then to not realize what some of the things that these kids don't have. It's amazing that you do such a job that you do to be able to make it so that more people can thrive and survive in this world. It's tough.
That's very cool. Thank you very much. That's beautiful. We'll hang it at the dealership.
Thank you, Subaru.